Hello, in this video I want to show you how to turn on your EMPORIA Smart phone. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate the power button, and it's this red button right here on this phone. It might be different color for you, so simply locate it like this. Now hold the button for a few seconds until you see the screen turn on. Now let go of the button and your phone should power on normally. And that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.